welcome to today's lecture on counseling documentation. In this session, we'll explore the purposes of documentation in counseling and the different methods used to record client interactions. Purpose of counseling documentation. First, let's look at why documentation is so important in counseling. It helps structure the counselor's thinking, supports evaluation and service improvements, and ensures continuity in client care. It promotes teamwork, facilitates supervision and feedback, and provides administrative and research value. 1. Process recording. Process recording is a detailed, verbatim record of everything said during a counseling session. It's primarily used in education to train beginner counselors and help them develop diagnostic thinking. However, it has limited use in practice due to its time demands and potential inaccuracy. 2. Narrative recording. Narrative recording is the most commonly used method in practice. It describes the counseling session in a story-like format, either chronologically or by topic. This method is flexible but relies heavily on the counselor's discretion, which can make it hard to retrieve key information. To address this, structured forms are often used for routine sessions, and narrative notes are reserved for complex cases. 3. Problem-oriented recording. This format focuses on clearly defining the client's current problems and documenting intervention plans. It's especially common in medical or multidisciplinary environments. The standardized structure makes it ideal for reviewing by supervisors or external professionals. It includes 4 parts: the database, problem list, initial plan, and progress notes written using the SOAP method. S. Subjective information, client's feelings or statements. O. Objective information, observable facts. A. Assessment, professional analysis. P. Planned steps for intervention. In conclusion, good documentation is essential for high-quality counseling and professional collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.